So this boat is our Griffith one, like the back in the blue one. So as we see, you can customize the length of the boat, so you can fit in your furniture manufacturing and diameter of the canvas, the height in our boat. And when we tie of our pocket, so it will be tight because we have the serrated part and different from the items in the market. And also, if you have requirements to have a cover to hide in the school, so we have some caps here and got some many colors. You can customize it. Since the color set also